You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how to pronounce the name of this element from the periodic table, mass atomic number 117. There are two different ways of pronouncing it, I guess is the short answer. Tennessine, which is probably the most common pronunciation. It was created, this element, first in Tennessee, and Tennessine sounds more like Tennessee, essentially, and you have a lot of molecules that end with INE, and it's usually pronounced as "in." So Tennessine, but some pronounce it also, especially in the US, as Tennessine. It's also correct, but less frequent. Tennessine is probably the most common pronunciation. Tennessine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.